Islamic views about euthanasia and suicide. Islam is opposed to both suicide and euthanasia. As per a saying of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, a person who commits suicide will go to hell, and he or she is given the same taste of death, within bracket or suicide, in the grave on a daily basis. Muslims do not believe in heroic measures to prolong the misery in a terminally ill patient. Organ transplantation. Islam stresses upon saving the life, as mentioned in Surah Ma'idah, verse number 32. Thus, transplantation in general would be considered permissible provided a donor consent is available and the sale of the organs is not allowed in Islam. Thank you.